Hello everybody once again. This is a terrible result I did last time. I was just practicing warming up. Oh god. No, not that way. Anyways, so what I'm gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing another test. I hope it does what I hope it doesn't glitch this time. If you see below, okay, I guess that's pretty good. That's actually pretty good for me, I guess. If I did put my account, probably get around here. The highest place I think I've gotten on the board was around 18. That was a long time ago. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy the video, then please leave a like, and I'll do another typing test soon. See you guys.